The Brave Lion and the Erupting Volcano. In the heart of the lush green jungle, there lived a brave lion named Leo. With his golden mane and mighty roar, he was the king of the jungle. One day, Leo heard a distant rumbling sound. Curious, he followed the noise and discovered a fiery volcano nearby. "Oh no!" exclaimed Leo. "The volcano is about to erupt." As panic spread through the jungle, Leo decided to take charge. "Listen, everyone!" he roared. "We must leave the jungle and find a safe place." The animals trusted Leo and began their journey to escape the danger. During the hunt for a new home, the animals learned to work together, helping one another overcome obstacles along the way. In the end, they found a beautiful new jungle to call home. The animals were grateful to Leo for his bravery and leadership. The moral of the story was clear. Even if the face of danger, courage and teamwork can lead to safety and a bright future for everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Olive Tree. Bye!